Now it's time to find out for real who done it in the case of the top coat hair scandal.
Well, that was a really good show, but I think now it's time to find out who done it. And the only way that I know to find out who done it is to ask Camille. Hello, I'm Camille. I've been detectiving for a very, very long time in my life, and I have a lot of experience, and everyone knows that I have a lot of experience. I see the evidence is all lined up here for me. Sounds like there's been a hair scandal in the garage. I think it must have happened sometime around last night. I'm pretty sure by the look on these hairs, the suspect was here. So we're gonna take a look. We're gonna find out who it was. Let's take a look at this evidence. There it is right there. What else we got here? Oh my goodness, look at that imprint. Oh my gosh, this guy is really gonna be in for something when we find him. Well, that turned out really nice. But, except for that spot where the hair was, this is a much harder case than I was expecting. I only came out for a week, but I might have to make it 2. We're gonna take a look around. Hello, Sergeant Steve?
Yeah, that's me. What can I do for you?
Well, so last night we had some kind of a hair scandal go on, and I was wondering, do you protect the lands around here?
Well, I'm in charge of security on this facility.
Oh, okay. So did you see anything last night?
That would be annoying.
Well, I have some evidence that would say that there was someone here last night, and you might have missed him. We found these hairs.
Let's see. Well, is it this color?
No, they definitely are not that color hair.
Okay. I have seen no one.
So I've interviewed just about every person, place, thing I found in the scene, on the scene, around the scene. And I just can't seem to put my nose on it yet, but I'm sure that we're gonna... Oh my god. I think I see something. Looks like there's a congregation of paintbrushes around the paint can. Excuse me! Excuse me! Excuse me! Oh no! Excuse me! Hey guys! Can I do an interview, please? We're doing detective work here and we're looking around. I haven't seen anything and I don't really know what you're talking about. Well, I haven't even asked you any questions yet. Hey, we just like to hang out around the can sometimes. Oh god. Yeah, I love it when we hang out around the can. Well, I'm just wondering, do any of you know who was around here last night? Oh gosh, golly, oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh, I don't know. I didn't see anything, that's for sure. Excuse me, sir. What? No, no, you're not getting to me. Nobody's putting me back in that can. You can't put me back in that can. Well, I heard about... Okay, I know something. What do you know? I don't know anything. So, I think we might be onto something here. Let's take a look at the evidence. Now, as we can see with the evidence, this might seem to match up. No, I swear it was me. I swear it was me. You know what? I don't think we had a scandal at all. Come here. It's alright now. Let me talk to you. Listen, okay, I was around here last night, okay? But I wasn't doing anything weird, nothing. No. I see what's going on here. We were just using the wrong paintbrush. You've lost some bristles, haven't you? Yes, it's been a hard life. Oh man. Well, thank you for your work and your duty, and I'm sorry that we caused you so much anxiety. Ah, so, I guess just don't use those brushes. But I'm sure we're gonna find some different brushes, and we'll give reviews on those. Where'd Kamo go anyway?